What's up, guys? So this is a 52-inch Anchor industrial ceiling fan that is in the living room of my grandparents' flat. That means apartment if all of those who don't know. And yeah, and this is the oldest fan of all the fans that are in this house. And let me show you the badge. The badge is on the Canopy. I'm not sure if I said that right, but if I didn't, just get over it. See, there's the badge right there. Anchor. See, this part and this part are yellow, but the fan is white. Here, let me end this. These rings that you see, the orange rings, that's not rust. It's actually gold rings. It's just the design of the fan. That's how the builders designed. And this outlet is more different than the one in the United States. And I'm in India right now. I'm not in the United States. Over here, this is a place where you need industrial ceiling fans because it's really hot here and there's no AC. So this fan does the job. So yeah, let me show you something. See, sorry about the charger. Hold on. Let me move the charger. There. See, this is the wall control for the fan. This fan's for the wall. This wall controls this fan because industrial ceiling fans don't have pull chains, and I just realized that the fan blades are metallic. Here, you can listen. Listen. You guys listen to this. That means it's made out of metal. So here, let me start on 1. And this switch is used to control the fan. This one right here. So, and there's one problem with this fan though. If you put the fan on high speed, on speed 5, then the Canopy spins to the right and it makes a loud sound. It's because this fan's old. And yeah, this fan moves a great amount of air. It's just, I can't say, but seriously, this fan moves an insane amount of air. It's just, I love it. And I sleep here while I'm here. I sleep in the living room. It's just nice. It keeps me cool, and it keeps me cool when I'm watching TV. So yeah, let me turn the fan on speed 2. And then I'll show you something else of the fan at the end. Speed 3. As you can see, it's speeding up and it's blowing breeze around this room. It's just a nice fan, but never put your hand over here when the blades are spinning because this fan is extremely deadly for an old fan. Speed 4. Speed 5. Wait, let me show you the wall control. Alright, here's the fan. Turn off the lights. Oh wait, let me just turn on this one. This one. Yeah, there, that's better. And yeah, let me switch off the fan. And that is my 52-inch Anchor white industrial ceiling fan that is in my living room of my grandparents' house. So yeah, in flat, sorry. Now I need to show you the Canopy spinning problem. Wait for the fan to stop. Hold on. Here, I'll just stop it my way. Hold on. There we go. So yeah, well, I'll watch the Canopy spin. I'm gonna get on the a bed, a small bed that's in my couch, in my living room, so you can see the Canopy spin. Oh no, this is unsafe because the blades are made out of metal. Let me just do it from this angle. You probably heard that. Now listen to the low sound as the fan, the low sound that the fan makes as the energy in it is rising. Okay, here we go. You can start to hear that helicopter sound because of the power that's in this fan. If I missed anything about this fan in the video, remind me and I'll include that in the description. Alright, thank you for watching, and rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll make more industrial ceiling fan videos. Alright, that's it.